With our butter, I'm gonna add 1.5 pounds of mushrooms into our skillet on medium heat. Perfect. We're gonna season this with some pepper. And some sea salt, keeping it classic. Beautiful. Give this a good mix. And we're gonna let that cook up for a couple of minutes. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go in with my minced garlic, and we are just gonna put about a tablespoon of garlic in there, and we're gonna keep that on the heat until that garlic is fragrant. These mushrooms are cooked. We're gonna go ahead and take this off of the heat. All right, and we're gonna pop these into our 2-quart size Pyrex dish. We're gonna put those to the side and bring in a medium bowl and our masher. I'm gonna add 1 block of softened cream cheese to our bowl. We're gonna add our 8 ounces of sour cream also into our bowl. Make sure to get all of that sour cream in there. This is gonna be such an easy side dish. It is so tasty. It's protein packed and it's super easy to make. Now we're gonna add 1 bag of mozzarella. You can use freshly grated if you prefer. And then we're gonna add our panko blend breadcrumbs. And we're gonna add a generous amount of these breadcrumbs. This is gonna add such a fun and delicious taste to our side dish. We got the mushrooms, the cream cheese, the mozzarella, the breadcrumbs. Only thing we're missing is some Parmesan, and we are going to freshly grate our Parmesan. Let's go ahead and break a piece off and pop it into our grater. Quickly, you can add as much or as little Parmesan as you like. I think I'm just gonna use that whole triangle for this mixture. All of it, perfect. We're gonna bring back our masher, and you know it, we're gonna mash all of that together. All right, we just finished this off with our spatula, and now it's time to bring back our mushrooms, and we are gonna go ahead and scoop our cream cheese mixture onto our mushrooms, just like so. This is kind of a take on stuffed mushrooms, but they're like inside out, so we have the stuffing just right on top of our sliced mushrooms. All right, so that looks absolutely phenomenal. So we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Oh my, this looks absolutely incredible. We did let it cool down for about 5 minutes, but this stuffed mushroom side dish is ready to indulge into. So we're just gonna scoop out some of that goodness. Ooh, look at that steam. Oh my. The mushrooms, the cream cheese, the mozzarella, the Parmesan, the sour cream. This is gonna be a winner. Ooh, get a little bit of that, get a little mushroom, and let's try it.